Let's learn how to apply the implicit differentiation to this equation here. Let's import Sympy and let's import the symbols x and y. And let's activate a nice layout. Let's call the method implicit differentiation. And let's pass the function x squared y squared minus 25. And let's indicate to take the derivative of y in respect of x. And this is the result. Let's apply the implicit differentiation manually. We take the derivative of x squared and we take the derivative of y squared. Note that both derivatives are in respect of dx. See dx in the denominator. And the derivative of 25 is 0. The derivative of x squared is 2x. And here we apply chain rule and you get 2 times y dy over dx. See that you apply the chain rule here. We could cancel this dy here and dy here, and then you'd get this expression here. But the logic is to add this dy in denominator and numerator. Then you can calculate this derivative here, that is 2y, and you just copy here. Now we can isolate the dy over dx and get minus x over y.